Hello everyone, welcome back to Shuoshuo Chinese, Shuoshuo Zhongwen. I'm Shuo, your Chinese native speaking teacher, currently living in Chiang Mai, Thailand. So you guys may notice that the background was different in a couple of my last videos. That's because I came to Chiang Mai last month and have been living here for more than 1 month. Chiang Mai is in the North Thailand and it is an amazing city. The food, culture, the nature, and the living expense. Everything is perfect. Oh, but now it's the smoking season because of the farmers. They are burning the crops on the mountain. So the air quality is pretty bad. Since I've been living here for a while, I'm thinking about meeting some new friends. So I went to the Thai kickboxing, music school, and some hiking activities, and of course the dating apps. So today I will go on a date with someone I met on the dating app. He's from England, and the funny thing is, he also speaks Chinese. So I'm thinking, why don't I just film the date? Because after all, it could be a great clickbait. But I need to be honest with you guys, it is a sponsored video, thanks to the great Chinese reading app, Du Chinese. If you haven't heard of it, Du Chinese mainly focuses on improving students' reading skills. It has over 1,000 lessons with 5 to 6 new lessons added every day. The first time I heard about Du Chinese is from my student, Julia. She and her husband started a challenge that they're going to read 1 article from Du Chinese every day. Until today, the challenge has been going on for more than 1 year, and their reading skills have been improved tremendously. You will always want to keep things easy when trying to develop a habit, and Du Chinese just makes reading Chinese articles that are a little bit beyond your current level so easy. The lessons are categorized by difficulty and topic, so if you want to know some everyday words or slangs, you can go to everyday life or funny. And if you want to learn some words related to work or email, meeting your customers, you can go to the category work. And except for the short stories, which includes different chapters, most of the articles on Du Chinese are pretty short. And that's why Julia and her husband can keep reading 1 article per day for more than 1 year. You can choose to show pinyin or hide pinyin. You can simply press the words or the sentence you don't understand, and the meaning will pop up at the top. You can also save the new words to the flashcard list by pressing the word longer. Unlike other flashcard apps, Du Chinese will only show you the words that you are about to forget. So you don't have to waste time on the words that you have already remembered. And the words information are from Pleco and Light Dictionary, so pretty reliable. I will put a link in the description down below. If you really like it, like many of my students do, and you want to subscribe, you can apply my unique coupon code Shuoshuo10, SHUO and 10 to get a 10% discount. Oh. Okay, so my date just sent me a message. Gotta go now. So now I'm on my way to meet this guy, and normally I don't really get nervous on my first date, but today is just so different because I'm gonna film it. But we will see how it goes. Hi! How are you?
Good, thanks. How are you?
I'm good. You wait for a long time?
No, not too bad.
Yeah.
Is it Shuo or Song?
Yes. You can call me both.
Okay,
Yeah.
Shuo. Which tone?
Fourth. As if you can tell the fourth tone.
I speak Chinese. You said you're from Hunan.
Hunan, yes.
Which city?
Changsha.
I love Changsha.
Have you ever been there?
I played a festival there with my band.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
What's the name of your band?
圣火令.
What?
圣火令.
Okay.
It's a famous story in China. My band was called Pyroglyphics, which pyro is about fire, glyphics is about writing on the walls in Egypt, like hieroglyphics.
Okay.
So put 2 words together, and then my friend said, hey, you should use 圣火令.
That's a good
the Chinese
translation.
name.
Okay, what did you do last week? 3 or 4 weeks ago?
I released my first solo song.
Wow.
It's called Life in the Middle Kingdom. It's my story of China.
Middle Kingdom, that's China.
中国.
中国, yes.
中 middle 国 kingdom.
Landed in Shanghai in 2009 like a Concorde. A whole new life like I got divorced. Put it this way, I was far from bored.
Where can people find this song?
You can find it on all Western major platforms. Spotify, Apple Music, Amazon, and most other platforms, TikTok, Instagram, Facebook as well. And hopefully soon the Thai platforms and the Chinese platforms. Do you like music?
Yeah.
No.
Last year, I listened to a female singer. Her name is Chen Li.
My friend danced with her.
Oh, really?
Yeah. He was an R&B singer and dancer.
Oh,
and
okay.
then he got on the tour with her.
Okay. Oh, cool.
I was a musician in China for 7 years. So I toured all around China, played at 500 weddings.
Oh, wow. Including my wedding?
I don't know. Are you married?
No.
It probably played your wedding if you got married.
Oh, yeah, let's order.
Okay.
Pick a number.
7.
7. Okay. 1, 2.
Oh, you mean the pages?
4, 5, 6, 7. Okay.
Oh, that's quite a good choice.
Yes, I like that press.
That's the way to order food.
Okay.
I'm not going to do that.
3, please.
Alright, we'll have a check, but I probably won't have it.
You cannot look at it.
I definitely don't want Thai food today, though.
Yeah, it's Thai food.
Chicken and coconut milk.
It's okay, it's okay.
Maybe next time.
How did you find your passion in music then?
When I was very young, maybe
Like 4?
4 or 5 years old, yeah.
Okay.
I heard Michael Jackson
Wow.
because my dad had a record, and yeah, I just heard Michael Jackson, started dancing, singing, and then by 7 or 8 I was writing songs, you know, pop songs with my friends and dancing.
What was the name of your first song?
Why girl?
Why?
Why girl?
Why girl?
Like question, why girl? And it was about a breakup. It was about a breakup, and I was like 8 years old writing about breaking up with somebody.
Was there a specific someone?
No, I never had a girlfriend that
Okay.
then.
你可以介绍一下自己吗？
你好，我叫唐英，唐代的唐，音乐的音。
Okay, oh good.
我是英国人。我从曼彻斯特来。我喜欢慢练，在苏州9年了，因为我找很多机会，在做音乐。是，我是音乐家，是吉他手、鼓手、贝斯手。
你还会说唱呀？那你会用中文说唱吗？
大家好，我叫唐丽，我住在苏州这边，在这里很舒服，是我这个时候来了7年。我是一个英国人，我很高兴认识你们，
我很开心。女士们、先生们，你想要知道为什么我喜欢转速的苏州？这是我的节奏，这里很有意思。
Hard with the beat.
没了。
Well, it goes on.
Okay.
Cheers.
Cheers. 加干杯。
干杯。
那你用什么样的方式来就是提高你的阅读的能力？
一些天，你可以用好多的软件，
是，
这些的软件帮你很快，
是，
先用它们，然后到2000汉字
，2000汉字 ，OK。Yeah,
2000，你到2000汉字的时候，你可以去外面看很多的signs。
对对对，是的。
然后我知道，特色，然后读 articles，
读文章，对吧？
读文章，按写汉字可以让你读比较好。
没错。好，那你听说过读 Chinese 这个 APP 吗？
非常好，这个软件非常好。I don't know. I really don't know. Cut. Wait.
It's okay. It's okay.
What do you want me to say about it?
It's okay. You can just like say whatever you want. 我们等一下让你试一试用一用这个软件，看你觉得怎么样？用一用这个APP，就是这个读 Chinese，让你试一试。试一试。
test。
对，好吗？就 say 好。
好。
Which one did you choose?
Intermediate.
Okay.
Oh, this is good. I might use this myself. Okay, I guess so. Do I download it or do I just study?
You can just study.
以前多年前。
哦，来，把拼音去掉吧，你可以选择去掉拼音啊。那你读一下。
1000年前有个
什么东西？神父。
行。
哎，这个有个什么？
也很喜欢玩什么什么什么。什么什么什么，就是把两字。
You don't know this word, you can just check it.
Yeah, it's like ja microphone.
Now you try to press your finger here. Ja, okay? And also, if you want to remember this word, you can save it.
Oh, that's cool.
Okay.
Very cool.
So you can see the whole meaning of the whole sentence.
Oh, it's cricket. This word is cricket.
Yes.
추추. I miss reading Chinese. This is cool. I'm going to use this app. This is good. Yeah, it's really good.
You understand so far?
Yeah.
Okay.
This is exactly what I need to start learning Chinese again.
Oh, really?
To continue my Chinese. It's really useful. And that's genuine. Not just for the camera. That's really cool.
What was that word?
大家.
Oh, good.
大家.
Yeah.
Oh, that's cool.
Because
that's the one I didn't know. I really like that you can read something and if you don't know one word, you can go over it and see, okay. And then it remembers the word you didn't know and then it gives you a test later. That's really good. Everything is there that's needed. There's nothing more and nothing less.
Do you think you're going to use it yourself?
Yeah, I think so.
What a surprise! Before I met Tom, I never expected he had so many interesting experiences in China and he was such a cool person. So if I'm going to Chiang Mai again, I will definitely visit him. If you also like Tom's music, I linked his song in my description box, so don't forget to check that out. And also, if you want to improve your Chinese reading skills, don't forget to download Du Chinese. You can download in your application store or download through the link in my description box. And don't forget to apply my unique coupon code Shuoshuo10 to get 10% discount. I really hope you liked this video, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, why not? And also don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you won't miss out any great chance to improve your Chinese. I'm Shuo from Shuoshuo Chinese. I will see you in my next video. 再见。